10 a.m. today, the Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha is all set to convene, and we're expecting a stormy session. We're moving a step closer to the Modi government's much-awaited Waqf reform, as the JPC report on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 is expected to be tabled in the Parliament today. The Joint Parliamentary Committee, headed by Jagdambika Pal, approved the draft report incorporating 14 amendments that were proposed by the members of the JPC. Now, these amendments are based on the majority vote. The opposition had also proposed a few amendments, but they were defeated with 10 votes in support and 16 votes against. In total, 44 amendments were discussed clause by clause. After 6 months of a detailed discussion, the JPC in fact held 34 sittings, over 108 hours of discussions, and over 284 stakeholders were consulted before finally reaching the decision. But the opposition leaders have strongly criticized the JPC's handling of the meetings, alleging that they were denied a fair opportunity to voice their concerns. The opposition has in fact claimed that the amendments were pushed through without proper discussions. So what has changed in this? Let's tell you what the Waqf amendments could look like. So let's tell you some of the issues that have been mentioned already after several sittings of the JPC. What are the changes that we are going to see? The first one being no cases will be reopened retrospectively. Discussions have taken place, and remember, the opposition leaders were also part of these meetings, and disputed government properties are going to be an exception in the cases. Apart from that, there are going to be state-level officer who will adjudicate the disputes. This was one of the issues that had been issued by the opposition leaders as well. They claim that all of their advice or suggestions have not in fact been taken up. In fact, they go on to say that only the clause that has been included, that only one who has practiced Islam for 5 years will be declared a Waqf property, can declare Waqf property. That clause is also going to change. Apart from that, no Waqf by user. That clause is also going to go from the JPC.